Track maintenance activities to ensure asset uptime and control costs. Maintenance activities begins in location management to ensure operational asset health and uptime. The maintenance activities log provides a centralized audit trail for all equipment service records. The registration process links every service event to a specific company and station location. Activity type categorizes the specific service performed to track specialized labor and resource allocation. For the activity type, link the maintenance activity to specific station assets, tanks, pumps, generators, etc. The vendor field identifies the external contractor responsible for executing the technical maintenance task. Performed date records the exact completion time to maintain precise historical accuracy for the asset. Next, recommended date schedules future preventive service to mitigate the risk of unexpected equipment failure. The payment done toggle triggers financial integration by enabling the selection of payment methods. Amount captures the total cost of service for accurate operational expense tracking and budgeting. Bank account selection defines the source of funds for the specific maintenance transaction. Attachments link relevant supporting documentation to the maintenance activity. Remarks allow for detailed documentation of technical findings or specific parts replaced during the activity. Saving the record updates the master maintenance log and validates the successful entry of data. This workflow centralizes asset history and financial accountability to streamline long-term facility management. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.